Two partners in progress, two different engines pushing the Southeast forward, two great and iconic cities, two commercial giants, two cultural powerhouses, but also two different worlds. What makes Onitsha unique? What makes Aba stand out? And what surprising similarities connect these two eastern Nigerian titans? Stay tuned, because this is more than a comparison. It is a journey into history, business, hustle culture, creativity, innovation, and the spirit of survival. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's start this trip. Before we compare the modern day hustle and bustle, let's rewind to where it all began. Onitsha sits proudly on the eastern bank of the river Niger, a natural blessing that transformed it into one of West Africa's greatest trading points. Its early growth came from the river trade, migration, and its prime position as a gateway between the West and the East. Aba, on the other hand, grew from being a colonial outpost and military camp into a manufacturing and entrepreneurial powerhouse. It is the birthplace of many local movements, political and industrial. If Nigeria had a city that symbolized "we will build it ourselves," it is Aba. Both cities rose from different forces. Onitsha from trade and geography, Aba from industry and innovation. Let's not lie to ourselves. When it comes to raw buying and selling, Onitsha is simply unmatched. The Onitsha Main Market is said to be the largest market in West Africa by volume of goods and diversity. If you are looking for electronics, clothes, building materials, phones, fabrics, cosmetics, anything at all, Onitsha has it. And the traders, highly competitive, sharp-talking, persuasive, the type that can sell sand to a desert man. Aba is not just selling products. Aba creates products. From shoes to bags, clothing to leather goods, machine, customized generators, spare parts, even car panels. Aba represents local industry, not just trade. The Ariaria International Market is known as the China of Africa, producing goods that reach Ghana, Gabon, Cameroon, Mali, Congo, Sudan, even Europe. If you want massive retail, Onitsha wins. If you want manufacturing and creativity, Aba takes the crown. Different strengths, same energy, unstoppable hustle. Onitsha people love class. They love looking good. They love showing you they have worked hard and they have arrived. That's why you hear some say, God dress him nobodo. Onitsha has more urban, flashy, big city energy. The nightlife, elite, busy, loud and expensive. Aba, on the other hand, doesn't care about glamour. Aba cares about results. The people are practical, innovative, down to earth. Aba's culture revolves around work ethics. They are not trying to impress you with lifestyle. They will impress you with what they can make. Where Onitsha shows you what they bought, Aba shows you what they created. Two different vibes, both powerful. Onitsha is densely populated, heavily commercial and sometimes chaotic, especially around Upper Iweka, but it benefits from major highway connections, the River Niger Bridge, ongoing expansion and massive urban influence. For many years, Aba struggled with infrastructural neglect, roads, drainage, flooding. Aba people really suffered. But recent transformation, especially in key locations like Cemetery Road, Emilogo, Fox Road, Port Harcourt Road, Aba Owerri Road and many others are bringing back the city's shine. Aba has huge potential. Once infrastructure stabilizes, its industrial output will explode even more. Onitsha is home to the famous Ofala Festival with strong educational legacy with schools like DMGS, CKC and others. Onitsha has produced countless businessmen, entertainers and public figures. Aba is legendary for producing musicians, comedians, inventors and designers, from the days of the boys who built homemade radios to today's rising music talents and designers shipping products abroad. Aba breathes raw, unfiltered talent. Now to the big question. Despite all these differences, what makes Aba and Onitsha similar? One is the hustle culture. Both Aba and Onitsha are defined by pure hustle and entrepreneurial spirit. Two is the Igbo ingenuity. Aba and Onitsha represent the creativity, courage and business instinct of Igbo people. Three is the large markets. Both cities are economic engines powering the entire southeast and Nigeria at large. 4 is strong migrant attraction. People from all over Nigeria migrate to Aba and Onitsha for opportunities. And 5 is the never say die spirit. No matter what happens, economic downturn, hardship, competition, both Aba and Onitsha city bounces back stronger. Let me tell you the truth, there is no winner in this comparison because Onitsha and Aba are not rivals. They are partners in progress, two different engines pushing the southeast forward. Onitsha is the retail kingdom, Aba is the production powerhouse. Together, they create a circle. Things are made in Aba, sold in Onitsha, and distributed across Nigeria and West Africa. This partnership is what makes both cities unstoppable. So now I ask you, which city do you think is more powerful? Which do you love more and why? And which of the city represents you? Drop your opinion in the comment section, let's debate. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe for more city comparison and African stories. See you in my next video.